New crack era. Superior. Let's get it going, man. You wanna run with the wolves, you gotta kill a few lamb. We dress in sheep clothes. You get the horns, fuck with the bulls. What's under the wall? That's punishable. That's what keeps us alive, that's why our stomachs is full. Niggas speaking that job talk, it's deeper than I thought. But stand up guys can take a seat on the sidewalk. Wet them up, then let it squeeze on the dry paws. Get off your high horse. Bird niggas can't fly north, Corona junkie. Rather that than an older flunky. If you don't trust wrestling, you can't hold the monkey. The food chain to get you smoked over lunch meat. For little or nothing, it's all something. Get you a job and fussing and fails. Niggas coming home stubborn and pale. We could've been under the jail. Looking forward to love in the mail. You don't make up for your sins in church, nigga. Word. If all of us is guilty, then no one is. You hear me? You see, I try to be modest in this cold world. It's hard to be. Pardon me, yeah. Top tier, I throw them off. You know the cause. Them corners ours. With no regards, we the older guards. Superior, golden arms. Gloves is golden. Gotta respect young, he had no one to mold him. Maintain appearance, hoodie on and low brim. I won't fold and I don't bend. I be resting sleepless. Bitches unholy, can't respect the priestess. Best kept secret, extend defense. Shooting back, running, left men speechless. It's on till they shut my lights off. Until then I'ma be styling. Know how much my nights cost? He only wears chain to offense. Cause in the streets it's chains of offense. Shit, all they want is a couple dollars, man. I ran through that chamber. We need property and things. You know, full speed ahead, nigga. No slowing up. You know what's up, right? Yeah.